Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk with Influx. Now today what we're going to show you how to do is to download the Pablo extension for Chrome. Now you're going to navigate to wherever you might have Chrome and get on Chrome. Now, most people have Chrome on their desktop. If you can't seem to find it on your desktop or taskbar, you can just click here in the search bar, search up Google Chrome. Click enter and you'll get on Google Chrome. Then from there, you're going to navigate up here into the search bar, click here, and then search up Chrome Store. It's going to navigate us and take us to the Chrome Store. This is where you're going to find all your extensions you might need. Click here on the first link. It's going to send you this page or something that looks like this page. It may change in the future. So you click up here, search the store, and you're going to search up Pablo. And from there, just click enter. Now, you're going to make sure to click here where it's Pablo offered by Buffer. You click here, and then you're going to click add to Chrome. It's going to have a little pop up here and it's going to say add extension. You're just going to add the extension. And then from there, boom, now you have Pablo on your Chrome. Now what Pablo is, for anyone that might not know 100% what it is essentially just a photo editing extension for Chrome that you can quickly install photos on the fly, or edit photos on the fly, my fault. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, just make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. This has been Tech Talk with Influx. See you next time.